Everybody, welcome back to Owl Creek. I'm Cody. You can see behind me where there's been a logging crew in here doing some work on our property. They came in this morning. I tried to do an intro as they were showing up, but they fired up the chainsaws. You really couldn't hear. They're clearing out about 6 poplar trees over here for me. The tops of them are all dying. They're dropping huge limbs in my yard. Some of them about 6 or 8 inches at the widest point. Once they get all finished, I'm going to get these treetops cleaned up, and I will end up fencing this whole area. You can see I'm going to fence back to my property line all the way up and over, then around my house to where I currently have my 2 new goats back over there, and I'll get this fenced off for them. Hi, Zay. Hi, puppy. Hi, girl. How are you? New skid steer operator. Fire it up, drive off.
Sure.
Alright, so right here they've started cutting these logs down into lengths, I believe 12 foot long. Now they are getting them hauled out with their skid steer and their grapple. Right now they're stacking them up over here, and they're going to be loading them up onto their truck.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you like our video and subscribe to our channel. Got enough.